I've just received the Portable Ultra-1000 1000 US 3rd edition in the mail. It comes in a little case with latches. The latch opens by sliding to the inside. Inside the case is the owner's manual, the user manual. I recommend that you read it carefully because there are parts of the body that you do not want to use this ultrasound on. Comes with a tube of gel. Simply apply the gel on the area that you would like to work on. It comes with a charger. Here's the unit itself. The head of the unit is covered with a plastic cover. Remove the cover before you use it. When you're ready to use, plug into the charger. It does not use batteries. Here's the on-off button. When you're ready to use it in a circular motion and do not stop over any particular area. Just keep it going. If you have any questions, do let me know. I am interested to know if it works for you.